What's going on, guys? Let's talk about Snow. Big breakout. Been watching this breakout for a while. The level that I was watching was 275. Been watching this for it feels like, 69 months, 82 months. Feels like I've been watching this stock for about 5 years now. 275. Lo and behold, cracked 275 today, and I missed it. I missed this move. I was watching Tesla. I was watching the triple Qs. I was watching NASDAQ. I was watching AMD, which I took a play in today. I have 3 monitors. I was watching 5, 6 charts at a time. Just because of where we closed at yesterday, I wasn't expecting this big ramp right at the end of the day. And it just wasn't on my screen when it was making this move, and I had to stick to my trading plan. I could not chase this candle. However, fantastic move on Snow. If you did catch this, I'm jealous of you. Give me a thumbs up on this video if you caught Snow today. Insane move. $16, 6%, busted through 275, closed at 284, looks higher for a day 2 continuation off this breakout. Let's talk about why I was watching this stock. This level here, 274, 275, we touched it one time, sold off, came up, tried to test it again, got rejected, consolidated, touched it for the second time here, almost 3 times a lady right here, were rejected, came all the way back down to the 10-day and the 5-day moving averages here, got this little bounce and close above yesterday. And then what did we do today? Had this little gap up here, 271, and just ripped right out of the gate. I mean, just ripped my face off, and I missed this move, but that's okay, right? I mean, there'll always be another trade. There'll always be another move. It's just a little upsetting when you have been watching a stock for so long and you missed the breakout, but it is what it is. Things happen. So let's talk about it. Insane move today. If we do go to the hourly time frame here, you can see here 6 o'clock. I am Pacific Standard Time. 6 o'clock pre-market. 6:30 opens up. Boom, just right out of the gate. Put in a high of 282.81. Came back down, back tested this Bollinger Band here, bounced off of the 277 area, and then just trucked higher all day here. So let's talk about a day 2 continuation. Where potentially do we want to buy this stock? Obviously, we want to look at 285.84 for the break to the top side. Okay, so let's go ahead and put a trend line here. However, depending on how the market wants to open up, if we open up, almost break even, or we open up with a small gap up higher than 285, we're going to want to be a little bit cautious if we're playing that top side break, just due to the fact that it can run up 1, 2, 3 points and then come back in 4 or 5 points back to support. Snow, the liquidity on Snow is very, very spready. It's very, very patchy. It's, it moves in a wide range when the market first opens. When the market opens all the time, it's like that all the time. Okay, so the better move is, to try to play this on a bounce. If this does open up to the top side over 285 and it does run up 2 or 3 points, my best suggestion is to let it come back into rising support. Use the 1 hour time frame, see where you're going to have that support. As of right now, we're looking at 284 and 281. These two would potentially be great spots. More so, I'm looking at this 281 area. Depending on what the market does, it could come back in here to this 277, which is where it came back in today off that upper Bollinger Band. 277 to 281. I believe this is the loading zone for to play it off of a bounce and then to ride that next leg higher. However, if we do gap down and we open up at 281 or 277, look for it to tread up here and then take out this 285. If we open higher, look for it to bounce and then try to play off the 281 or 277. Guys, I hope that helps. Trust me, tomorrow Snow will be on my watch list and will be on my monitor. I will definitely be watching it. Guys, if you do want to join the Discord, that link is down in the description below. Also, I do have a website kind of showing you guys how I trade. You guys can kind of learn what all these crazy lines all over my chart are. Trust me, it's not, I did not have my child draw all over my screen. These lines, they mean things. Stocks do things when they hit these lines. If you want to learn how, go to my website. But I'll see you guys all on the next video.